Today's video is about the most important thing in our lives, and that is our health and our body's strength. Have you ever thought why, even though we eat such good food and work so hard, our bodies no longer have the same strength as before? Do you know that your body's true strength and your muscles are strongest when you are in a deep sleep? Most of us think that if we eat a lot of meat or many eggs or buy expensive strength medicines and protein supplements from the market, we will immediately become powerful. But the real truth is something else. The real problem is not how good and expensive the food you are eating is, but the real thing is how well your stomach is digesting that food. Friends, if your stomach system is not right and it cannot digest the food, then all that strength and expensive food becomes completely useless. You might have noticed this yourself that we eat very well all day and take care of ourselves, but still, when we wake up in the morning, there is a strange pain in the legs. Stiffness is felt in the joints, and it feels as if there is no life left in the body. There is one very big and important reason for this. Our body needs a very peaceful environment to heal from the inside and to make its broken parts strong again. And do you know where this peaceful environment is created? It is created inside our stomach at night while we are sleeping. If there is some swelling, burning, or a fire going on inside your stomach, then your body cannot use that good food which you ate with such interest. But you don't need to be worried about this at all. Many common and cheap vegetables are available around us that are easily found in everywhere. These vegetables look very ordinary, but if they are cooked the right way and eaten at the right time, they repair your body exactly like a wise mechanic repairs a broken car. Today I will tell you about 4 such easy vegetables that will make your muscles strong like iron and will end sarcopenia, meaning muscle weakness in old age. So let's find out the full details without delay. Number 1. Zucchini. The best vegetable at number 1 is zucchini. Often people show attitude toward it, thinking of it as a sick people's food. But it is truly a natural gift. As we move forward in our lives, our stomach's digestion becomes slow. It is difficult to digest hard foods, but zucchini gives coolness and peace to the stomach because it has a lot of water and its fibers are very soft. Zucchini has two very special minerals, potassium and magnesium. These help your muscles to expand and contract correctly. Do you feel sudden severe cramps or overween in your legs while sleeping at night? This pain is actually caused by deficiency of these minerals. By eating zucchini at night, your body gets these and the pain disappears. Besides this, it also cleans up the day's tiredness. To make it correctly, always cook it lightly so its original strength is not lost. You can also eat it with eggs or light broth so the body gets protein and it is also easily digested. Just think, when it is summer and our body suffers from dehydration, zucchini provides water to our muscles. Magnesium and potassium are not just for cramps, but also keep our heartbeat normal. Often, elders have heart palpitation at night. They can find peace by eating zucchini. It also ends stomach acidity. Number 2. Spinach. Now let's talk about the second vegetable which is easily and cheaply available everywhere, and that is spinach. Sarcopenia, the loss of muscles in old age, is a big problem. Spinach naturally contains nitrates. The job of these nitrates is to open our veins so that blood and oxygen can reach our muscles correctly. When muscles get a good blood supply, they remain powerful and young even in old age. Spinach also contains iron, which cleans our blood and removes muscle tiredness. Besides this, there are some compounds in spinach that help muscles grow. Spinach is easily found in everywhere. If our elders use spinach twice a day, life can return to their legs. Always cook spinach with garlic and a little oil. Garlic itself also ends swelling. Instead of boiling it too much, cook it lightly so its nitrates are not lost. The nitrates in it increase muscle efficiency. This means muscles can do more work with less energy. This is a very big blessing for elders because they have less energy. By eating spinach, they get less tired. Friends, if you are liking this information, then definitely like this video and share it with your friends. Number 3. White cauliflower. This vegetable is made in all our homes and we think it is very common. But when it comes to ending swelling or inflammation inside the stomach, there is no match for it. Take an example to understand this. If the structure of a building is broken, its foundation is bad, then no matter how many bricks you put there, a strong wall cannot be built. Exactly like this, as long as there is swelling in our body, no matter how much protein we eat, our muscles cannot become strong. Cauliflower fixes this broken structure so that your body can take strength from food. There is a very special thing in cauliflower called vitamin B6. This vitamin turns the food you have eaten into that strength and fuel which your muscles need to work. If there is a deficiency of this, a person feels tired all the time and legs feel heavy. Beside this, there is another magical thing in it called choline. Think of this choline as a type of telephone wire. This wire comes from your brain straight to your legs and body muscles and gives them the message of when to move, when to stop, and when to rest. If this wire does not work correctly, then there is a wobbling in walking. Cauliflower keeps this wire completely strong. I told you about vitamin B6, but do you know that it also keeps our mood good? When your mood is good, your muscles are more relaxed. The choline that is in it is not just a telephone wire, but it also improves our brain's memory. When the connection between the brain and legs is strong, a person's balance remains better and it prevents falling. While cooking it, take care not to make it a completely soft mash. Cook it by roasting lightly or in steam. Definitely add olive oil, a little turmeric and cumin in it because turmeric and cauliflower together and body pain. Number 4. Broccoli. Our fourth vegetable is broccoli, meaning green cauliflower. It looks like a small tree, but it works like a fire engine for our body. The fire of swelling that starts in our body from the days running around. The sulforaphane in broccoli puts that fire out. When this fire is put out, the body gets a full chance to repair itself. It has a trier of vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C makes collagen in the body, which keeps our joints flexible, while vitamin K sends calcium to the right place, meaning the bones. These two together make a great team for your bones. Broccoli is called a superfood because its sulforaphane even helps in fighting diseases like cancer. Broccoli cleans the daily wear and tear that happens in our body. Vitamin C is also good for our skin. Never ruin its color by boiling it in water. Steam it for only 5 minutes. Sprinkle a little lemon and black pepper on top because black pepper increases its power many times. When and how to eat. Now let's talk about the most important thing. When to eat these vegetables. I tell you an easy formula. Look, if you want to stay healthy, then eat your dinner between 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Why so early? Because when you eat early, the stomach gets full time to digest. When you sleep at night, your body, instead of digesting food, puts all its attention on fixing the muscles. Don't eat a very big plate full at night. Otherwise, sleep can be ruined. Just half a cup of vegetable is enough. Eat these vegetables by rotating them or cook them by mixing a little of each. Keep some light proteins with it, like a boiled egg, a little fish, or a cup of broth. Don't lie down on the bed immediately after eating food. Definitely do a light walk for only 5 to 10 minutes. This small walk speeds up your digestion and keeps joints in motion so that no burden is placed on the stomach. After this, sleep peacefully. Your body will do the rest of the work itself. Do tell me in the comments which of these vegetables you are cooking tonight. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take a lot of care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.